out so quietly, a moment I ignored, a glance that lasted longer than any glance before. I told myself it's nothing, just a passing phase. But every time you're near me, I lose the words to say. Look me in the eyes, don't look away. I've been holding back what my heart won't say. This is falling, let it be slow.